Namaskar, I am Dr. Neeraj Goyal, Clinical Lead and Senior Consultant, Department of GI Surgery, GI Oncology, HPB Surgery and Minimal Access Surgery at Dharamshila Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Vasundhara Enclave, Mayur Vihar. Today I will be talking about abdominal cancers or gastrointestinal tract cancers, how to prevent them and to understand them. We have to understand what is cancer. Cancer is an uncontrolled growth of any cell in the body. It can occur in any organ of the body. So in any part of the GIT, if there is any uncontrolled growth, it is called as the cancer. So what are the reasons of these GIT cancers? When we have tabulated or we have calculated the risk for every causative factor for these GIT cancers, we have found that approximately 90% of the cancers are lifestyle related, and rest of the 10% are environmental factors, which can be some infections or some genetic factors. So we can understand that if we want to prevent these GIT cancers, they can be very well prevented by adopting a healthy lifestyle. What do we mean by that we are having unhealthy lifestyle? If our lifestyle is sedentary, we are not doing much of exercises, we are not moving around much, we are obese, we are not having a good amount of water, these are the risk factors which can increase your risk for the cancers. Obesity is related to any type of cancer in the body, more importantly into the GI symptom, GI tract. The most common cancers of the GI tract which is related to obesity is the cancer of the large intestine and the rectum. It can also give rise to the cancer of the pancreas. Smoking and alcohol. Alcohol is rampant in our society, and this alcohol is a risk factor for approximately every cancer of the GI tract, importantly large intestine and liver. Smoking is one of the prominent causative factor for the cancers of the large intestine, rectum and pancreas. Gallbladder cancer is also increasing in our northern part of the region. It is related to maybe gallstones or some environmental factor in this northern region. We have not been able to find out clearly, but our unhealthy lifestyle, alcohol, smoking, low water intake, these are the major reasons for development of the GIT cancers. So how can we prevent? What can we do to prevent this? If we can adopt a healthy lifestyle, we can prevent approximately 90% of the GIT cancers. What do we mean by adopting healthy lifestyle? Healthy lifestyle means that we are doing lots of exercises, we are moving around, we are taking lots of water, we are not taking alcohol, we are not taking smoking, we are not taking as much as possible non-vegetarian food also. The raw vegetable diet is a very well antioxidant rich food, and it prevents many of the cancers. And side by side, if we are having vaccines for hepatitis B, then we can prevent our liver cancers also. So majority of these cancers can be prevented by adopting a healthy lifestyle. So my message would be: eat healthy, live healthy and stay healthy. Namaskar. Thank you.